How to create a blend on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bino from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make a blend on Spotify, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to create a blend on Spotify, just go ahead and then launch the Spotify app. And you might want to tap on the search button, which is at the bottom of the screen, and here you'll find the sections. Once you tap on the search box, here you'll find these options. Over here you'll find a section that is made for you, so tap on made for you. Once you tap on the made for you option, you'll find a section that says create a blend, so just tap on the plus button that says create a blend. It says you need to actually invite friends in order to do a blend, so just tap on the invite button and invite some of the friends. So just go ahead and tap on the invite button. Once you do so, send the invitation link to anybody on the group or anywhere else. Once you send the invitation link to anybody over here, you can just go ahead and hit the send button. Now once your friends actually tap on this link and accept the invitation, what it does is that it is going to automatically create a playlist of 50 songs over here. You can at least actually have up to a few number of people, at least 2 or 3 people in this blend. Once you do so, and once your friends accept that invitation link, it is actually going to go ahead and create a playlist automatically, and the number of songs in that playlist is going to automatically change based on what you're streaming on Spotify. That's all it takes to create a blend on Spotify. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.